How's it going, guys? Leo with Kano Sports Cards. We have a 2024 Topps baseball. I've had this pack for a while. This box. Flagship collection. It says, look for short printed, oversized cards. One in every 5 boxes. As you can see, there could be, autos on there from both Series 1 and Series 2. Let's see what we can get. I've been waiting to open this for a while. So let's see. Look at that. So we have, let's see. We have, so there's 3 Series 1. We have 7 Series 2s. And we have 3 exclusive. Look at this. So we're going to start with that. Oversized Topps 2024 baseball. Collect all 26 oversized base cards. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Here we go. Francisco Lindor. Here's this rookie. And then we have Jordan Lolar rookie card. Nice. Put him right here. Then we have, look at that. It's kind of cool, huh? Look at that. Wonder if, I'm sure I can send this. Looks nice. Okay, we'll put it right there. Put this guy right there. All right. Well, that's video number 1. Topps 2024 baseball, Series 1 and 2. Stay tuned for the second video.